In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use your USDC wallet address on KuCoin. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer so you can get free money just by creating a KuCoin account. You just need to create your account with the referral link in the description below, or you can also just paste the referral code at the sign up form. And this way you will enjoy different offers to get free money. As you can see, here are some of the different offers running right now. So there is this welcome bonus blitz where you can get 200 USDT. You also have an airdrop and some cash bonus. You can also scroll down to see more offers. In this case, it says 0 because I already have an account. But if you click the referral link, you will always see some different offers where you can claim free money just by creating your account. This is very easy. Just go to assets right here. Then go to deposit at this left sidebar menu, deposit crypto, and now click here to search for the coin, which is USDC. You should find the coin right here. And lastly, we will need to select a network. So those are all the networks that this coin offers. And in my case, I want to use the Solana network. You want to make sure that you know what network you need to use, because otherwise you can lose your money. So in this case, let's say I want to use USDC on the Solana network. And after you select the network, you will find your deposit address or the wallet address right here. You can copy it and send it to anyone so they can make payments directly to your wallet by using this address. You can also use this code so people can scan the QR code, and this way they can send money to the address much easier. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.